This week in the Mount Sinai Spotlight, hidden scar surgery, how doctors are removing the thyroid gland without making an incision in the neck, and researchers discuss the development of a universal flu shot.
My name is Peter Palese. I'm professor and chair of microbiology. Unfortunately, because the virus changes from year to year, we have to get revaccinated every year again before the virus comes if the vaccine strain does not match the one which is circulating. We have a mismatch, and then sometimes we can get, despite the vaccination, can get the disease. So the vaccine which we currently have is a good vaccine. It is underutilized, but it is a vaccine which works. It doesn't work 100%. The numbers in the US alone per year, that we have estimates that between 30,000 and 50,000 people die of influenza despite the availability of the vaccine. The ideal vaccine would be one which is given only once in a lifetime, and it would provide protection against all influenza virus strains. We hope we will achieve the same with our universal influenza virus vaccine, which we are developing at Mount Sinai.
The biggest advantage at this time is the fact that patients will not have visible or conspicuous neck scars. My name is Hyunsuk Suh, and I'm an endocrine surgeon at the Mount Sinai, Beth Israel. BABA stands for bilateral axillobreast approach thyroidectomy, where you make 4 small incisions at the armpit as well as the areola. And using those 4 small incisions compared to conventional surgery where you have to make an incision at the neck, we insert a robotic instrument to do the robotic thyroidectomy with the hidden scars.
How do you know how much of the SCM to clear off?
Robotic instruments has a function called the in-the-wrist function, just like your wrist, that it can rotate freely in 6 degrees of freedom, allowing you to maneuver the tissue in a much more safer and accurate way. During my fellowship, I went to Korea where this BABA robotic thyroidectomy was developed, and I brought that same approach to US and performed the first robotic thyroidectomy. At Sinai, we have performed almost 30 robotic thyroidectomies at this time.